Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be doing a healthy peanut butter granola recipe. I got this from one of my friends on Facebook and she sent me a link to the website joyfoodsunshine.com and that link will be down in the bottom below. So if you guys want to see how this granola turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. I started first with my melty mixture with my natural peanut butter and my honey. And I got that in a little saucepan and then just heated that through until it combined. And once it was, I took it off the heat and added some vanilla extract. And then I got old-fashioned oats, quick oats, salt, and cinnamon and combined that. And then I got my honey and peanut butter and put it in my bowl and mixed it all around. And I did notice that the peanut butter started to cool down, so it was not hard to mix, but it wasn't as easy as I was expecting it to be. But once it was all combined as best as I could get it, I sprayed my cookie sheet with nonstick spray and spread it out. And she said if you use quick oats that you'll get chunkier pieces, so I just tried to lay it out to get some small pieces and some big pieces, and then I put it in my oven, and after 20 minutes I took it out and mixed it until it was flipped, and then I put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes and then it was all done. Alrighty guys, so I got my lovely bowl of granola here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It's not bad, but it's kind of bland and it doesn't have a whole lot of sweetness to it. It's very much just kind of like a peanut butter and oat taste, which those aren't super flavorful things. I would say that this would be much better if it had a little bit more sweetness to it to kind of elevate the flavors. I think that for a healthy vegan recipe, this is still really good. This will be really great if I had it with like yogurt or some fruit. By itself, I don't really love it. It just doesn't have a ton of flavor on its own. So I would say as a rating, I would probably rate it by itself, probably 5 out of 10. But with other things, I can tell that this is going to be really great. So if you're gonna pair it with other things, 8.5 out of 10 for sure. I'll probably make this again too. I may add more salt. I think that might be what's missing. Maybe I needed like really coarse, salty salt, you know, like the Himalayan salt, if that makes any sense. I don't know. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what else you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.